Hi guys, welcome to the Hackathon project called CMate from Team 10. It's me, Miro, Rob, Ivo, and Bosco. Let me start with a brief story behind this idea. I started to play chess around 2 years ago. After some time, I was looking for chess applications out there on the market. There are probably two main chess platforms, chess.com and lichess. Lichess is a open source project and it has a public API. So the idea was to connect the Slido with the chess somehow. The first idea was that the group of people will be playing against one stronger player. The group of people will be voting via Slido, and the player will be then responding to the moves. Well, it sounds like a good idea, but it's more probably for a chess community, not for a random person. The game can be quite long and boring to the other users, so we decided not to go for this solution. Instead, we decided to go for a chess as an icebreaker before meeting, and we need to make sure that the game will be short, so we choose the puzzles. So the idea is that we're gonna create a quiz with a chess puzzles, and people will be voting for a next best move. The problem was how to define the correct and incorrect move. For that, we use the well-known chess engine Stockfish, which can evaluate the chessboard for black, white, give you the best move and alternative move. So let's go through the technical details. We downloaded the lichess database of puzzles, which is around 3.8 million of puzzles. We filtered small sample, around 200, with the most used theme and stored on S3. We created a API endpoint that will randomly select some of these puzzles. Then we modified this library that can transfer fan format to the image, and also add the labels to the site so people can know the coordinates on the chessboard. And as I mentioned before, the Stockfish use it as for the alternative moves. This is the API. You can see here, you can choose the theme. You want to play middle game, you want to play mate in 2, mate in 1, or whatever. And this is just a number of questions that will be generated in a quiz. So let's take a look at the demo.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Hackathon Chess Demo. As you can see, we've removed the quiz from the polls as nobody was using it, and we've replaced it with our own chess challenge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on chess challenge and it will load up a chess quiz with 3 separate challenges that people can vote on for the best move. So if we went into production with this, obviously we'd have a setup option here for setting the difficulty, setting up teams, and setting up the number of questions. For now, we have a predefined list of 3 challenges randomly generated. So with one click, we can do that. So we'll click on there. See, it's loading the chess challenge, and we'll wait for that to come back from our very own chess server. Okay, so as you can see, we have our chess quiz all loaded up now with 3 separate challenges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this off like you would any normal quiz. So start the interaction. So you can join the quiz. I'm afraid this isn't available for people watching at home. Okay, so we have our competitors. Let's go. First question, 15 seconds only on the clock. Choose the best move for white. Is it D2 to F2 or G5 to H4? For demo purposes, this is only a 15-second question. We'd need longer in production, but there we go. Okay, so we've got a 60-40 split there. Let's see what the correct answer is. It is, of course, D2 to F2. So the next one, 15 seconds on the clock again. Choose the best move for white. Is it d6 to d7 or a1 to f1? We only have 15 seconds, remember. Only 5 seconds remaining. Let's see how many people we can catch out with this one. Okay, loading up. Okay, we have a 60-40 split again for option B. Oh dear, it's not going well for somebody. Okay, next question. 15 seconds. White on the move again. We're going from c2 to c3, or is it e6 to c6? Make your choices carefully. I think this is a pretty tight run quiz as far as I can see. Okay, let's see who is going to win this one. 80% for A that time. And the majority are correct. So let's move on to the leaderboard and see. Ellie, fabulous. With 3 out of 3 correct in only 37 seconds. Our chess master for today is Ellie. Congratulations. Round of applause. Cheers, everybody.